An annulus is a ring shape created by two concentric circles. This circle here and a circle above. And these circles have the same center here with the radius starting from here. It's sometimes easier if I show you another version of this diagram. So you can see that the little r represents the radius for the little circle and the big R represents the radius for the big circle. So an annulus can be found in many places in the real world. A donut is an annulus. A CD disc has an annular shape. Many flowers have an annulus inside them here. Our heart valves have also annulus inside the heart. And we also can have an annular solar eclipse as shown over here. And the planet Saturn has an annular ring. And so to find the area of the annular part here, we need to find the area of the largest circle, which will be pi, and we'll use the capital letter for this circle, r squared. And now we need to take away the area of the small circle. And this area is going to be also pi r squared, but with a little r. The area of the annulus is therefore pi capital R squared minus pi little r squared. Now we should factorize this so that it'll look like pi outside, and then in the brackets we'll put r squared, take away little r squared. Now that is really fantastic because this looks like a difference of two squares rule, a very useful form to work with. So we can further change it to pi, but this time it'll be r plus little r and a product of r take away little r. The last formula has the advantage that you can actually calculate very quickly that annular area. For example, let's say my big radius is 9 centimeters and my little radius is 7 centimeters. In that case, what we'll have is that will be equal to pi. Now, big R plus little r, which means that what we're doing is just saying 9 plus 7. And then we are taking away, multiplying this by 9 minus 7. And that can be quickly done in your head, I suspect, because that means it's just pi. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So we're just multiplying 16 by 2. And that'll be pi 32. Or we should write 32 pi. And so there you have a formula for an annulus and how you can use it quickly. This is usually year 10 work. I hope I explained it well enough for you. And if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, you'll see more of my work. And please press the like sign. And if you have any further suggestions as to what you would like me to work on, then please put it in the comments.